Hey friends, welcome back to Crafter Support. Today is day 13 of our craft room organization, and today I wanted to share with you how I organize all of my pens and markers and just keep everything together. Now I use these inexpensive plastic holders from the Dollar Tree. I think they're like $1.50 now, but they have those and they fit your Joy pens nicely along with your infusible ink pens. And then I even have a couple other brands like the Sister brand and fabric markers. The Crayola fabric markers fit well in there. And I also can fit my Venture markers in this. I just have to tilt it forward and push it up through the bottom instead of pushing down through the top, but they fit very, very well as well. I also put my Stampin' Up! Markers. You guys know these are my favorite markers. I believe they got rid of these. I don't follow Stampin' Up! Anymore, so I'm not sure, but these markers are probably, they were one of my favorite to purchase, and I still have all these that I like to use. But those I put in here, and these are double-sided, and I just put the paintbrush side down first because that's the only side of these markers that I used. For your Cricut pens, it's best to store them with the cap down. That way there, when you pull them out to get ready to use them into your Cricut, and you do like a test scribble to make sure that the ink is running well, that just makes it a little bit easier for you. So my suggestion is you go out to the Dollar Tree if you don't have a way to hold your markers and pens, and get yourself one of these. Super inexpensive, and it'll keep you nice and organized. All right guys, thanks so much for watching, and until next time, bye.